Hi everyone, this is Mr. Nook. Today I will show you one tool. It's called imageamico.com. So it will help you do many things with the photo that many other tools cannot. So I will show you what all things it can do. Everything can be done online. So you come to this platform here and you click on this professional tool. So here you will find a background remover using which you can remove background from any image. You just have to drag and drop an image here and it will remove the background from it. So then you come to brightener. It will allow you to brighten the image, whether it's a dark setting, it will help you brighten the image. So then you have colorizer, using which you can add color to a black and white image. Then you have deep blur. Using deep blur, you will be able to remove that blurring effect in your photos. Now you have demoire. So it removes moire interference from a photo. Clarity, clarify pictures of television, monitor, projectors, cell phone screens, and more. So when you take a picture from your laptop or phone, you might see this moire interference from a photo. You can use this to clarify that. Now denoiser, it will remove the noise from the photo. So if you have a photo like this, it will allow you to remove the noise from it. So you see here, and one of the things is removed. Then you have something called face to 3D. It can create a 3D face from a 2D photo. Now we have photo to depth. So this will help you analyze the depth of the photograph. So where the objects are placed. It will give you a perspective of how the photo was captured. Then you have something called as restorer, using which you can repair and restore old photos. Then we have something called as upscaler, using which you can take a tiny image and make it much bigger without losing the detail. Now coming back to fun stuff here, we have various tools here. We have something called age guesser. So this will help you guess the age of the person. If you want, I can just quickly show this using the image of Johnny Depp. I've just put it here. So he's going to analyze it. He's going to classify it. The age of the person is going to guess it from there, and it will be available for download. In the downloaded image, the age of the person will get tagged there. Now if I look at it and download it, I can see 51 years old. Actually he's around 59, I guess now. Maybe that photo is also taken some time back. Quite possible. So they have something called age progressor. It'll help you see how the person looks in old age. So let me try to put that same person there. So please choose the age, gender to greatly improve the prediction. Now if you download it, you can see that how the person looks after some time. Let that run from there. So it progresses the ages of the person in the picture. It works best if the person is directly facing the camera. So even a baby, how that person will look after some time, and those things it can predict and visualize. You have few other features here called body mass index guesser. So let this run. Now once it is run, you see how it changed. Age decrease, animate. So I'm going to say animate. This is how that person is looking all the time. So if I say age increase, so you have body mass index BMI guesser from the photo. Now from this, you'll be able to guess the body mass index of that person. Now you have crowd size guesser. From this you can identify the number of people there. This crowd is approximately this many people. These functionalities you don't get other places. So you should be able to guess this from this, how many people are there from this image. Now, if you want to find whether an image is fake or not, you can do that too. So you can take an image here, and this is showing some UFOs here. You can see these are the parts that has been added later. So the fake images can be easily be detected. So you can identify the mood of a person from a photo. So based on this person feels delighted, they feel happy. Now if you come back to sticker maker, you can make a sticker of person from a photo that you can share it in WhatsApp and other places, even Viber, Telegram and all. Now if you come here, you have vehicle identifier. In this you can spot a car you like but not sure what it is, so it will help you detect what car that is. And it also says the confidence ratio of confidence percentage of the prediction of that vehicle. So
subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.